Now, there's some text messages, I think, that have been sent between the two of you where you express your denials for a long time. Let me just have a quick look at the best one. This is over some time. Were you living in the house together at this stage?
Yes.
Now, what was the atmosphere in the house like?
After it happened, after I smashed his iPad, I went to live with one of my friends for about 3 weeks because I didn't want to see him.
Understandably. Austin, stay where you are. I've seen these text messages. Who's in green? Is that you?
Yes.
I find out you slept with this person. The least you deserve was me to react the way I did. I could have done a lot worse. What's the last thing?
What do you mean?
Well, read out that last bit.
I could have done a lot worse, haha.
And a smiley face.
No, it's a laughing face.
What worse could you have done?
Well,
over here, I'm over here.
Yeah.
What could you have done?
I'm not.
No, look at me.
I'm looking at you. I'm not a violent person, but like other people, like in the past, people have like killed people and stuff like this. But I wouldn't do anything. Like I was just genuinely saying at the time that it could have been a lot worse. I'm not saying I would have done that. I'm just saying the situation could have been a lot worse.
So he's lucky?
No, I'm not saying he's lucky. I'm just saying, yeah.
I could have done a lot worse. At least you was me to react the way I did. I could have done a lot worse. So when I ask you, what you're expressing there is he's lucky you didn't do a lot worse. That's what you're saying to him, correct?
Yeah,
yes.
But it wasn't...
No. Talking. Yes, Judge Rinder.
Yes, Judge Rinder.
What do you think about that text now?
I'm embarrassed of myself.
Do you want to apologise for it?
Yes, I'm sorry, Austin. There was no need.
I told you, man, I wouldn't do that to you. You're my best friend. What's fugs?
I don't... For God's sake.
Oh. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.